Hello, evening everyone, and I hope you're having a great evening. And I'm sorry for the delay, but yeah, as always, you can open Droidscript, and I'll try to keep this video as brief as possible. So open Droidscript, and in Droidscript, you can click these three icons. Click on new. Let's say click on new. Give it a name, like give it any name. In my case, we'll call it HTML page. Our native put HTML, and then on simple just leave it like that. Then you can click OK. Then our HTML is right here. If you click once, it will run. If you click and hold, it will bring the dialog. And on the dialog, you can click on edit to edit our HTML. So as you can see, this is a basic HTML page, but I designed something. Okay, so we can just remove starting from here. We can remove something. Okay, this is how it actually looks like. This is how it looks like. The actual thing, it looks like this. But I didn't want to spend time coding. Nanda, I asked this afternoon if you could design any template that you can use in your application. For me, this is my template. Not the best work I can do, but it works. Okay, and one last thing, because we are supposed to call the run method, so I have to make a node function which you call the on start. Like, okay, this is Java, guys, you don't have to write this, but just include it in case your body doesn't have it, but it always according sorry, it's actually up. Okay, I think it's up. Okay, I'm sure that's how it is. Okay, the upload start actually calls this function the on start. So let's try to run this. I hope it doesn't give me any errors. Okay, it works perfectly, but unfortunately every HTML, like Droidscript makes all layouts, or in this case our document or our body tag, transparent. So I actually have to give it a color using the same HTML elements. I made CSS a property that you know, which is background color, and you can give it any color, but because I want to make this web page quite attractive, you can just put white. Okay, so let me just remove the pop-up. I don't like it. Okay. So here's what it's gonna show, and this is our sample. It has it has the header, 3 anchor tags which are grouped, and these grouped anchor tags, if I was using even a desktop, they couldn't change their form. They could still be in line, and the reason why they could be in line is because I use a property known as flex. Flex is very important, you guys. And in case you're tired of using float, inline block, and everything, flex is the next best thing, you guys. It's the next best thing. So you should check it out. Check out some videos on flex on full colon flex. They're really cool. And yeah, that's how our app is. But you saw my app, and so we're done making my app. I can run it, I see how it is. But then how can I make my app? How can I turn this into an app? Because right now it's just an SDK. And then what is it? Oh yeah, our HTML page is actually just an SDK. So what can you do with an SDK? Well, the best part of it is that, and once it's still an SDK, you can share it with another person. Like, for example, okay, I will share this HTML page or on the group. I'll share it, and when I share it, you will see here this option, share. After I share it, that means you as a user or you as a developer, at the moment you click on the SDK, sorry, not SDK, SPK. The moment you click on the SPK, what happens is this: you can now get hold of this every content in here and edit it for yourself. So without troubling, without anything, without trying to change, unlike apk, which requires you to have some modules and libraries for you to extract information from it, but SDK allows you to, as though you're just installing it. It runs using Droidscript. So okay, I'll just show you another sample, but yeah, for now we are aiming at building. So long press this and then click on build apk. Build apk make just like Java. When you're making a package, you actually have to give it a location. So in this case, our location can be anything, because I like HTML. I'm using HTML, so I can call it HTML page. Anything, just include the dot something. So it's like, it should be something referring to the application itself, so that it can easily be noticeable. And then debug build, yeah, you can click on it, but the reason I'm clicking on this is because I don't want the app to have any signature, and it not necessarily have any, and it's also being debugged from inside. So yeah, you can do that, but if you want, you can leave it like that. The choice is yours. Then click OK, then build your apk. I hope you guys can hear me. Okay, as I'm building the apk, wait for it to load. Okay, it's almost done. It's really fast. After it loads, then we can click OK, then install HTML page. We install it. It will bring some warning, I'm sure. Okay, it didn't bring. Wow, it was supposed to, but in case it didn't bring, that means your apk is just fine. There's nothing wrong with it. It's not tampering with any of Android properties and all. So you can just run it and it will display the same thing that my current issue was displaying. And here's my app HTML page. But here's one other thing that I forgot to tell you guys. When it comes to the SPK, like in this form, it's an SPK. How can you share it? You can click on share. Then because we're doing the WhatsApp group, we can just share it directly with the WhatsApp group. Okay, then just send it there. Okay, because I'm currently offline, so I'm sure you see this later on. But yeah, after you see, just click on it. Then when it tells you to open with which browser, click Droidscript, and then Droidscript. From there you can directly edit it for yourself. One last thing, what other thing can you do? All right, earlier this afternoon I also told you to download an app, which is apk, I think, plugin. The apk plugin, where all plugins actually go, it's here on the documentation. Then below plugins, they actually go here. And here's what happened. The moment you downloaded apk builder and installed it, it actually allowed you to now convert your sdk files into apks. So yeah, that's why I actually required you to download it, because without this you cannot actually use this function build apk. You cannot use it unless you first download it. But it's okay, I already sent the link in the group, and you can just like load it, then run it. I mean, install it, then run it, then everything is okay with you. And if you have any questions, please don't forget to ask. And anything, it doesn't matter what. And let me just show you one cool other property that I think is kind of cool. Oh, it's gonna take time, but shorter one. Which one is short? Oh, okay, nothing is short. I think that's everything for this video. Thank you very much, you guys, for watching. And you can do a lot of crazy things with this. I didn't do any hovering, any on click events, nothing. But yeah, this is practically my app. And you guys, please do share your apps. I would really enjoy to see what crazy things you guys have designed, crazy awesome things you guys have designed. And just make sure, like, every time when you're working with HTML in itself, please don't forget this. This is very important, that it already comes in. The moment you just make an HTML file, it comes with this. Do not delete this, because this is what's making everything here possible. Please do not delete it. Don't forget, you can delete anything else, but don't delete this. The script, the script location, do not delete it. So yeah. And what other thing? This is just basic HTML, and I think that's all. Thank you guys. Thank you. Have a blessed evening, and hopefully I'll upload more videos. Thank you.